car bag. But always over prepared, never under prepared. You feel me?
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm from Boise, Ohio. Looking for the aircraft to come back.
Just made it to our destination. Just hopped off the plane. Either you still up in there? Either you still up in there?
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking.
We're currently cruising at an altitude of 35,000 feet. If you would like to take off your seatbelts at this time, please do, and enjoy your flight.
Today we arrive in Dallas, Texas.
Growing up, I thought the world would go Jetson, but niggas on the gram straight flexing, flexing, flexing.
Oh, y'all got good kitchen like that?
Good kitchen.
Look at that good kitchen menu.
I'm glad I'm back in mode. Back in mode.
And it was sunny out too? Oh yeah.
Bodyguard.
I speak on instrumentals with this pad and a pencil. Hope my words are influential, like my thoughts are consequential. Situations monumental, but you stuck in innuendo. Chasing after fads, but forget to pay the rent. Don't give a fuck if it's a rental. We got it out the mud, literally off the plantation. Forget a lack of love. Show my anger with the slugs, bucking at my bros and cuz. Devils keep the power, cause we battling with us. Scavengers with trust funds, ruining the land. Distracted by the vote, scared of Donald Trump again. Time to come up with a plan. Started with your fam, spread to the community. This unity won't stand if we stand 10 toes instead of rapping about your foes. Swear you ready to grow, but then get messy like some hoes. Never call them bitches hoes, let your actions foot the bill. Truth speaker, knowledge seeker, till the day that I get gone.
Best nuts that I had. Pecans, glazed, delicious. Nuts galore. What's the name? These niggas done pack it up here. That's how I gotta be. You out here got the bag on it. Z-Mom, we should go for a run. Oh shit, I thought she was real. How you know? and shit right now.
Bro got that bullshit.
The fuck is that?
That motherfucker is popping. Hey, this spicy is up. Look, it's popping. I put it.
Why she say it was spicy? I said it's not that spicy, so that means it is spicy.
A Midwest nigga with a heart made of gold, a mouth full of white and a hand I can't fold, so I play it how it's dealt. That's win, lose, or death. In my hood, I still rep. Full block, no block, yeah, that uptown shit. But I'm good in your hood, you tryna see who I'm is. But I don't wanna claim your turf, I'm just handling biz. If it ain't about money, they don't miss me with it. Don't talk bad about me, I come see how you live.
Right. It was so good, I had to get another one. Pickle flavor soda.
The fuck is that?